You really need a makeover. How about something like much better? Let me show you how to update old and boring furniture into faux leather using Eclectic Products Unicorn Spit. First, prep your furniture. Remove the cushions and also remove all the hidden items that were trapped underneath. Then, go ahead and give it a good vacuuming to remove all of the dirt, debris, and any kind of pet hair. Next, I used a medium grit sanding block to lightly sand the chair. This will remove the pill on the furniture, which will help the paint adhere better. Now it's time for the fun part, actually painting the chair. For the base coat, I'm going to be using 1 bottle of Squirell, a half a bottle of Lemon Kiss, and 1 bottle of white Ning. Unicorn Spit is my go-to paint whenever I'm painting any kind of upholstery because you don't need to use fabric softener with it, and it smells lovely like jasmine. Once you have your base coat mixture all mixed up, go ahead and apply it to the upholstery with a regular paintbrush. If you plan on painting the legs of your furniture, be very careful not to get the paint on it. Although you can use Unicorn Spit for wood, ceramics, and glass as well. Be sure to coat all of the crevices and corners really well, and make sure to pull the fabric to reach all the places that will be seen later when someone's actually sitting in it. You may need 2 or 3 coats for the base layer, depending on what color the fabric was before you started. This is how it looked after it dried overnight. For my top coat layer, I wanted it just a bit darker, so I used a half a bottle of white Ning and a full bottle of Rustic Reality. Once the final layer is completely dry, it's time to add the aging. This is what's going to make the chair look like real leather. For my aging mixture, I used Unicorn Spit's Rustic Reality and added in just a bit of their new metallic gel stain. Then I lightly dry brushed it onto the entire chair. I absolutely love this new metallic gel stain. It has just enough shimmer to make it look like real leather furniture. Go a little bit darker on the cracks, crevices, and corners of the chair. This way, it really resembles true leather aging. Once that's dry, I wiped on clear wax onto the entire chair using a clean cloth. This will help seal in the colors and make it extra soft. Y'all, this chair came out even better than I imagined it would. I absolutely love how it looks and feels like real leather, without being crunchy or sticky. And who knew all it would take to revive this old chair was a little bit of Unicorn Spit.